Hey guys, welcome back. Just another quick one today. I want to talk about the annoyances with the Citizen E812 that I've run into. Now I've checked online, this seems to be a common problem, so I wanted to put it out there, get some feedback and some comments and see what else people are experiencing with this problem. To start off, I think it really got worse when I changed the strap or the band on the last go round, this leather strap. And now it's not the strap's fault, I don't believe. I really like this strap. I'll see if I can link the other video. It's very nice, it's beautiful looking, and enjoy it. This was the previous strap I had on it. You can see that the watch would sit right here in this area, and it had this thick underlayer under the watch. And I did not have this problem previously as much with this band, but let me show you what I think it is. What it is I don't think this crown is protected enough. There's not enough metal to go out into the crown to keep it from spinning when you're wearing the watch, because when you wear the watch with this strap and you move your hand and then move it like this, it can spin the crown. And what happens when you spin the crown, it changes the mode of the watch. If you see, I just spin it now, it's going to alarm mode. Now if I spin it back, it'll go to time mode. But like if your alarm's set for like 6 a.m. and it spins it into the alarm mode, your watch is always going to show 6 a.m. And you look down and you see that the time is 6 a.m. and the mode change, you notice, because you know it's not 6 a.m. So you decide to spin it back to time, but then it has to catch up to wherever the time is, which can take a minute. So by that time, I'm pulling my phone out of my pocket and I'm checking the time. So that is kind of annoying, right? And now, what are some possible fixes? I mean, maybe we could put something on the back of the watch to build it up a little bit, to get it away from the front of your hand. I don't know. I mean, it still occasionally happened with this NATO band. The canvas is pretty thick, so it kept it up higher, off my wrist, I'll call it, so it didn't touch as much. I don't know. I just think long term, I think I would look for a watch with more crown protection, I'll call it, with that metal built out to keep it from spinning. Now, don't get me wrong, I love this watch. It's a great watch. It's a beautiful watch. Perpetual calendar. The only time I ever have to change a setting is if I do daylight savings. So, but that's a whole nother subject. But you know, every day everything's perfect on it. I love the watch. It's solar. I can set it in a window, get it charged up. Just a beautiful, beautiful watch. This is the only little problem I have with it. So I don't wear it as often because of that. I stick with my daily, which is my Ironman blackout at the moment. I wear that pretty much all the time. I'll wear this when I go to the office or some other occasion like that. But yeah, it's let me know your experience with it. That's really why I want to put this out there. Have you tried any fixes? Have you tried any other things to make this problem go away? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the playlist on this, on how we got this back up running. A lot of videos on this watch, and I'll link it somewhere around here, and we'll see you next time.